Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again, Randy Cycles, with another CFMoto. This is a 2023 CFMoto 300SS. It's a 292cc single-cylinder engine, claiming 29 brake horsepower, 19 foot-pounds of torque, weighing in at a very lightweight 364 pounds. I mean, you're kind of comparing with weight-wise. I mean, Ninja 400, it's a lot lighter than the Suzuki GSX 250R. I mean, beginner-level sport bike, honestly. This does have ABS, down-adjustable front suspension, preload adjustable rear. Well, alright. Is it approachable from a beginner standpoint? Well, let's throw it like I am 5'9", 220 pounds. And yes, it is very approachable from a beginner standpoint. I mean, I am flat-footed with a decent bend in my knee. Key right here. Does have a nice little TFT display. It's like that on all the CFMotos, which I like. It has modes. Oh, 300 on a 292cc single. Eco mode. I don't want that. I want sport mode. Your mirrors are about 900 miles in front of you. And you're getting to tuck. Okay. This bike is going to be interesting. Because, I mean, who's buying this bike? A beginner. Or somebody who wants to blast a track day, honestly. It's very light. Very light. Clutch pull is very light too. Ergonomically, for a beginner level sport bike, it's right where I'd expect it to be. You do not have adjustable brake and clutch levers, which again was kind of to be expected, to be honest, in this price category. Is it fast? No. No, it is not. Is it fast enough? Yes. I mean, I'm doing 62 miles an hour. I mean, seriously. I mean, how much faster do you need to go? And that's 65. Just kind of cruising right now. Not really hammering it. I mean, this is basically a brand new bike. It's not even through break-in or anything. So, I mean, we're at 6th gear, 63 miles an hour, going uphill. Yeah, that's what I'd expect. This 292cc single, the low down power is fine. I mean, it's not great, but again, you don't expect it to be like super low down torque because it's a 292cc single in a sport bike. Honestly, if you're looking at this bike, you're a beginner rider, or you really want to do a track day but you don't want to spend a lot of money, and you just wanted something that you can learn how to do that kind of riding. I mean, comfort wise, it's actually pretty comfy. I mean, in tuck position or relative tuck position, not bad. Adjust the camera just a little bit. I'm not sure what I'm catching. The suspension is okay. I mean, it's budget. I mean, what you do find in this bike, honestly, for the price point, is the TFT display, the gear indicator, fuel indicator. I mean, budget bikes, you usually don't get that. This does have a full LED light package, which is nice. That's also not something you find in this price category. So, I mean, we're looking at an entry-level sport bike. Just beginner-level sport bike. And for a brand new price of $4,000, let's just say $4,500, well, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Sadly enough, Randy Cycle does not have the 450SS, which I would really like to try, because I'd like to compare that against the Ninja 400. I know other people have, but I'd like to do it myself. She's got. And it ain't much. Like a leisurely cruise. Like 95. Not bad. I mean, seriously, for a beginner bike, I mean, 94 miles an hour is freaking fast for a beginner. I mean, the Ninja 400, I peaked the Ninja 400 in 2018. You can find the video, it's on the channel. I peaked the Ninja 400 at 113 miles an hour. And that was all she had. I would have needed much more of a straightaway to get more. This bike would probably get to 100, but it's not going to get there quickly. And you're going to need a long straightaway to get there. This bike is not bad. It's not bad. Bike bad? No. God, no. It's a good little bike. Could have downshifted, but okay. 3, 2, 1. Not a bad motorcycle at all. It's a good bike. Would I buy it? Honestly, I don't think so. So based on the price, the question would be, is this bike in its current positioning, is the Ninja 400 that much better than this bike? Is it worth $1,000 to get the Ninja 400? And yeah, it is. Honestly, it is. As much as I really would love to say, oh yeah, just buy this bike. No, the Ninja 400 is that much better. if you don't have that money, and could you just enjoy this and get better at riding with this? Yeah, you can, without a doubt. But on the same token, you can go buy a 2018 Ninja 400 for $4 grand, or less than $4 grand. You know, so you can buy a used Ninja 400 for the same price or less than this, and I think you'd get a better bike. I don't like the position of that kickstand though. Right behind the peg. Old man getting off sport bike. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. CFMoto 300SS. Honestly, it's not bad. It's really not bad. The styling looks really good. Took some design cues from other bikes with the little exhaust or air intake, passenger bag kind of thing, or passenger seat kind of thing. You know, sounds like a single. But yeah, honestly, it's not a bad bike. It's not. Like I said, I would prefer the Ninja 400. I think it's a better platform. I think it's a better bike, and it's worth the money to spend extra. But if you choose this, I can't fault you. It's not bad. It really isn't bad. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found some use out of it. Get a chance. You want to ride one? Come out to Randy's Cycle in Marengo, Illinois. Because you're not going to know what you like until you ride it. Don't trust everybody on YouTube. Just trust me. No, don't trust me either. You got to ride it for yourself. Everybody, if you haven't already, like, subscribe. Appreciate it. Leave me a comment. Ask me a question. Whatever it may be. I'm here for you. Everybody, stay safe and enjoy the ride.
Turn your back.